guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with another video, and today I have for you my video that I've been talking about for a while, and that is the Emily Noel 83 Made Me Buy It. So we have a basket here, and all of this stuff was based on her recommendations. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you think about subscribing before you leave. Make sure you hit that bell, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Oh, and this is co-host Mr. here as always to inspect the goods. So let's just start with what's right on the top here. This is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and this I had no intentions of buying whatsoever. I had seen some reviews and I was like, it's matte, like, I don't need it. But then when I saw Emily test it out, I was like, I think I need that. I think I'm gonna try that. So this is one of the products that I saw her review and I was like, I think I might like that. She actually, like, I saw her review and was like, oh, I might need that. But other people, I saw their reviews and I was like, nah, not really. So bought that, love it. Next up, I had no intentions of buying this either. This is the Milani Bold Obsessions palette, and that's what it looks like. And I don't think I was really gonna buy this either, and then I'd been seeing reviews, you know, and I was like, oh, that's so pretty, like maybe I need that. And I saw her review it. I mean, they're super pretty. I mean, it's a really nice palette for drugstore. I think this is probably one of the best formulas at the drugstore. And you can pick these up at Walmart for $14.97. So if you see these, I would recommend these. And they also have the new Pure Passion and Soft and Sultry palettes. Those are Walmart exclusives or Milani Cosmetics exclusives. So if you buy it from Milani's website, you're going to pay $20. If you get it at Walmart, you're going to pay $14.97. I tried to order it online because I did get the Pure Passion one, the one with the pinks and the reds. I tried ordering it online and it kept telling me that it wasn't available for order online. So I think it's something that you do have to go into the store to pick up if you're interested in it. And spoiler alert, I got it. I like it. And I did do some swatching because I was like, you know what, this looks kind of similar to the other looks that I've created. But so I thought all three of the palettes out and I started swatching to see like if there were dupes of each other. And there really weren't. I mean, the Gilded Desires and the Bold Obsessions are more similar, I think, than the new Pure Passion one that I picked up. So I ended up liking that one as well. Next up, we have this Bring the Salon Home Kiss Lash 101 all-in-one kit for lash beginners. You guys know I don't wear lashes. So she did a video on all about putting lashes on, and if I can remember, I will link it over here in the cards. It's a really good video. So she recommended this because you get, you know, an applicator, a little thing with glue, you get these nice little kind of fluffy lashes, and her video was super informative. So I picked this up because I thought I'm gonna try that. Next up, we have the e.l.f. Matte for Matte Jewel Pop palette, and I had seen, you know, everybody showing this, using it, and I was just kind of like, it's all matte. Like, I like, you know me, I like sparkle and shimmer. So I had seen her use it, and then I thought, oh, that looks pretty nice. And then I found it at Burlington for $3.99, and it looked even better. So I was like, I saw Emily have that and she liked it, so I probably would like it. So I picked it up at Burlington for $3.99. And then I got the Covergirl Clump Crusher waterproof, water resistant formula, and she's been talking about this for the bottom lashes for years, and I just haven't, you know, tried it. It's got like a rubber wand, but it's got like a curve to it, so it does get in right up close to your lashes and it doesn't transfer below. So she has been talking about this for years, and I was just kind of like, you know, yeah, it'll, you know, And then when I was getting the Covergirl, that I had some kind of deal, and I needed to pick up another Covergirl item, and I spotted this, and I'm like, Emily's been talking about that for a long time. I'm gonna try that, and you know, we'll see how that is. So I got it. I love it. Next up, we have these Real Techniques. These are called the Insta Pop Eye Duo, and you can see that it's like fluffy here, but kind of flat here. There's a bigger one and a smaller one, and they just work in, like, you can use them in so many different ways, like to get in the crease or to pack on your lid. This one's nice under your eyes. I mean, she showed these in a video, and she showed all the different ways that she used them, and I think she showed like doing an eye look with just these two brushes maybe, and it was a really good video, and I was like, wow, I'd never even seen those brushes. Like, I hadn't thought about those brushes, so let me go find them. And they were like $7.99 at Ulta, but I looked on the Target website this morning, and they're like $4.39, I think. So for two brushes, I'm like, maybe I need a backup. So really have been enjoying those. Next up here, we have the Milani 02 Floral Fantasy Rose Powder Blush. These are a Walgreens exclusive, and I had been seeing these on the shelves when I was going into Walgreens. I kept seeing them, and I was bypassing them. I got the Hypnotic Lights toppers, but I kept seeing this, and I saw it, and I'd look at it, and I'd be like, nah, I don't need it. And I'd see it again, and I'd be like, nah, I don't need it. And then I watched Emily's video, and she was showing it, and she was putting it on, and how beautiful it was, and I was like, oh, I think I need that. So I ended up getting this too, and it's just got 3 really nice shades. This one, I don't know what happened to it. It broke, so I repressed it. But all 3 of the shades are really nice. I thought this one would be too light, and it's not. And it shows up really good, and I've just really been enjoying it. And they're just really nice. So these were the first Milani blushes that I had tried, so really like that formula. And let's see, I have a couple oh, you know what, here's another Milani product. This is the Milani Amore Shine Lip Lacquer. I think that's what they call it. Liquid lip color. So this is the shiny stuff. This is in the color 09 Idol. Now, I did already have some of these in the more brown toned colors that I like, but again, I saw her do a video, and I saw her with it on, and then I was like, whoa, that's such a pretty color, and I'm like, oh, I think I might like that. So I picked it up, and I liked it. So, shows you the power of the influencer. Got a couple foundations, not really foundations. This is, you know, I have a complete review on this. I'll try to link it up above. This is the Aveeno Positively Radiant CC Cream in medium, and I did the review on this, and I really like this a lot. You get a nice size, 2.5 ounces, and I really like that. And then the next one is the Garnier Skin Active BB Cream 5-in-1 Miracle Skin Perfector Anti-Aging in Light Medium. And she had been talking about this for a while, and I was wanting something lighter for the summer, so I saw this when I was in Walmart, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. I also have a review. I'll link it up in the cards here on that. And then this is a more recent discovery for me. I mean, I've seen her talk about this for a long time. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter, and she likes to use it in the inner rim. And I was in Walgreens one day, and it was on sale, and I'm like, I'm gonna get that because she keeps talking about it. Let me get that and see, you know, if I like it. So picked it up, and of course, I like it. You notice a theme here, like we have the same taste. We like the same stuff. So like when she tries out something and I think, oh, I'm probably gonna like that, I do like it. So let's see, I have a couple lips here. These are the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. I have it in color 314 Nude Allure, and then 316 Statement Nude. And this is more brown. kind of color. This is, what is this? This is 316. And I like Pro Matte Gloss. That just sounds like an oxymoron. I don't understand it, but it is what it is. And this is 314. So you can see the colors there. Those are my kind of vibes of colors. These don't last on my lips very long. I mean, nothing stays on my lips, so I've just kind of been resigned to the fact that that's how it is. But this right here is a Maybelline lipstick, and this is in their matte line. This is number 575 Brown Blush. And I believe this is the first item that I had seen her with in show, and I was like, I gotta get that. That color is so me. So this is Brown Blush by Maybelline, and it's kind of got like a mauve undertone. So I got that and I love it. Next up here is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I have mine in the shade C7, and I like this. I don't use it a whole lot because I find I need to set it with a powder, and I try to stay away from powder under my eyes, so I usually have on the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. But this is good, especially if you need to cover anything. It does cover really nicely. And then we have some more lip products. These are the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine, and these are kind of like a shiny lip balm. These have such a nice formula. I have mine in shade 902 and 906. So they're not like, you know, like a dark color, but they're just really nice, and like I said, they're like a balm on your lips. And I see the shine on them. So I really like these. I've heard some people say if you used to like the, is it Revlon lip butter maybe or something like that, that these are a good alternative because they did discontinue those. A couple more things here. This is the Physicians formula of a healthy lip, and this is in Dose of Rose. I'm pretty sure I saw her, or maybe this was just stuck in this basket. Don't quote me, but I do like this. Love the color. I have like 4 or 5 of these, and the formula is really nice. And then the last item are these L'Oreal Infallible paints. I have it in Mint Detox, Navy Yard, Shady Violet, and Brown Sugar. And these are like dual-ended cream eyeshadows. You've got a color on each end. And I had seen her talking about these probably about a year ago, I would say. And I thought they were kind of nice, but they were kind of expensive for, you know, a cream eyeshadow. Like, am I going to wear a cream eyeshadow all that much? And she showed them, and, you know, she showed how she liked to apply them and use them and everything. And I thought they were nice, but I didn't want to spend like $10 or $12, however much they were. Well, I was in Walmart the other day, and these were in their clearance bin for $2. So I thought, you know what? Emily had tried those out, and she liked them. For $2, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy them. So I bought them. I have not tested these ones out yet, but I just wanted to show you guys. Maybe your Walmart has the same little deal going. One of my Walmarts never has any clearance, and then the other Walmart that's about 10 minutes away, they always have boxes and like bins of clearance stuff. So got these the other day for $2. And that, you know what? No, that's not it. This Rimmel Magnif'Eyes Electric Violet Edition. I did see her show this on her channel, and I saw it in Walmart, and I picked it up. So this is the last item. And this is what I do have on my eyes today. Spoiler alert, I really like it. I have that on. And then on my lid, I have the light color from there. And then I also have this color here. This is the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes eyeshadow palette. And I think that's all that I have for right now that Emily made me buy. She's a good salesperson. So All these products I've bought on her recommendation, and I've loved them all. So if you haven't checked out Emily and her channel, I'll try to link her channel above. Go check her out. She has less than 1 million, but she's getting super close. She's been on YouTube for like 10 years. She's got 2 beautiful little girls. She's just so down to earth, so sweet. Like, she's like, it's like you're talking to your friend, or your friend's going, hey, look, I got this and you should try it. She's just so down to earth. She's one of the only bigger YouTube channels that I watch because I feel like I can trust her. I don't feel like she's gonna be like, I can get something off of this. Let me say that I love this, and then she doesn't really love it. I feel like the things that she recommends, the things that she shows you, are genuinely things that she likes. She'll tell you if she doesn't like something. So I just really feel like I can trust her. I don't feel like she's just trying to sell me a load of bull. She, you know, she has stuff she doesn't like. So, I mean, I really trust her opinion. Like I said, she's just under 1 million subscribers. So if you haven't checked her channel out, go check her out. You will love her. She's one of my go-tos, like for reviews, and like if I want to know something about something new, I'll go and see what her opinion is, because I know she's one of the larger YouTubers that I can trust, or I like smaller YouTubers. So if you want to see a video about what YouTube channels I like to watch or who I watch, let me know in the comments and I could do a video on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the things that Emily Noel 83 made me purchase. And I hope you'll go check out her channel. She's so good. She's beautiful. She's awesome. Just go check her out if you haven't. And let's get her to 1 million subs, because she totally deserves it. So these were all the products that she made me buy. And that's going to do it for my video for today, guys. Subscribe. I have lipstick all over my teeth now. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.